I lit the fire when it got chilly. The box is not full, it is empty. I will pass this test if I am lucky. That pink kite can fly in the sky. That pig is fond of his smelly sty. I left a crispy chip on the pink dish. Why did that bully make Jack cry? My hand is itchy and I will not scratch it. It felt hot and stuffy in that small hall. Jack Lynch will rake up all that grass. Bill Smith sat still on a dry, grassy patch. Mandy lost the golf ball in the small bush. I think that pink dress is a bit skimpy on Jane. Why is the boss cross and cranky all the time? My small, black, fluffy cat can jump that brick wall.